I'm going to use this video to introduce you to the metric prefixes and what they mean. We will touch on unit conversions in this video, but we have another video coming that will look more specifically at unit conversions and how to do them. So as a reminder, the SI system has three base units or basic units. The meter is used for length, the kilogram is used for mass, and the second is used for time. Now, the joy of the metric system, the SI system, is that there are other units all related to these three basic units through factors of 10. So it makes converting from one to the other very easy because all you have to do is multiply and divide by the correct factor of 10. So let's go look at them. This is not a complete list by any standing, but it's a good one to start with. So for example, the metric prefix nano, it's abbreviated with little n. That stands for, if you look, there are 3, 6, 8 zeros followed by a 1. So that is by definition 10 to the minus 9. That means that 1 nanometer is 10 to the minus 9th of a meter. It's 1 billionth of a meter. We would write 1 nanometer as such. So 1 nanometer equals 10 to the minus 9 meters. Next on the list we have the micrometer. It's abbreviated with this funny looking U. It's got a little tail. That's because this isn't a U. It's actually the Greek letter mu. And if you look, there are 5 zeros here. That means 1 micrometer is 1 millionth of a meter. Or in other words, I could say it takes 1 million micrometers to make a meter. Millimeter is probably one you are more familiar with. You've, I hope, looked at rulers and used them a little bit. You know, you have a centimeter and then the little lines in between the centimeter are the millimeters, right? 1 millimeter, little m here, is 0.001 meters. That means there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. Centimeter is also one that I hope you are familiar with. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, so 0.01 centimeters equals, let me rephrase that, 0.01 meters equals 1 centimeter. So I will write that as well. 0.01 meters equals 1 centimeter. Right. Kilo is 1,000. So we've gone from being small to being large. Now it takes 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. We also have mega and giga at 1 million and 1 billion respectively. Watch out because big M is different from little m. Big M means mega, little m means milli. There are 3 prefixes that I request you know for this class. Milli, centa, and kilo. On an exam, I expect you to know these. Any of the other ones, if I don't give it to you on the exam, you can raise your hand and ask me about them. Easy as that. Here are some additional examples. The previous slide we did everything in terms of meters, but we could do it equivalently with grams or seconds. So 1 kilogram, which is our basic unit, equals 1,000 grams, or you can write it with the abbreviation 1 kg equals 1,000 g. 1 centimeter is 0.01 meters, or 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters with the abbreviation. I guess I should read it as an abbreviation. Sorry. 1 millisecond is 0.001 seconds. So that's 1 little ms equals 0.001 s. And 1 megasecond is a million seconds. So 1 big ms equals 1 million s. One thing I encourage you to do is use your intuition. You can't always just get it right first time. So think about it. Pause a minute. Which is bigger, a centimeter or a meter? Hopefully you're all saying, well, the meter's bigger, right? Therefore, it takes more centimeters to make up the same distance that 1 meter covers. So which is correct? Are there 100 centimeters equaling 1 meter, or is 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters? Hopefully, you're all thinking, well, because centimeter is the smaller unit, it takes more to make up the same distance, therefore this is the correct conversion. It's very easy to get it backwards.